Mentirang ba kajala Megalia Konrad ke sangma hakashitarik weyong arajar arpuar ulai kendu yuk siang belatung dak Sorkar ba Peter S dekhar nak benta kisien jam sya kajing kan nisok bat kasengking atiar New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC. Menteri kampo yeng ba lakmen rembui usmon mentirang ba perstuan tensong ka Chief Secretary ka Kongreveka Vi Suchang Klaidon lang hagani kejelang. Kani gedi kisien jam meningkong na du ba ka HNLC ka lejit yu presiden ka HNF ba sadan bla komunong mikman jongka ba Sorkar plus dang ya kasien jam nak benta kacing temu ya kran yesok bat ka HNLC. Mentirang ba ulang babon tili kejelang kinia chakmat hakisi banwan bat ka Sorkar kadang berkre ya kacing te kular yesok bat ka te kasengking atiar. Kajelang kalai kran ru bat te lakam ikjing e kibala bangkata ya shongsuk shongsan hakacela.
It's a normal process, as I said, and the process has to continue. So I've been very clear from day one that every meeting does not have a conclusion or does not have any news. It's just a process. But the most important part is the government is committed to move things forward, and that's the reason we are ensuring that continuous communication is taking place. At this point in time, there is limited information that I can share, but as you can see, we are continuously pushing this to ensure that we can reach the logical conclusion.
What about the HNLC leaders that they are offering him to negotiate?
Well, as I said, the details you can talk to the interlocutor. So, for my side, now all the process and discussions are to the interlocutor now.
So, what was the meeting all about?
The process, discussion.
When will be the next meeting?
It'll go on. It may happen in the weeks, maybe days. So it's a process, as I said. It's difficult to give any kind of a update to you. It's not correct. It's a process. So you have to give it time. You have to allow the system to work. You have to understand that there is things that cannot be shared. I understand that you would like to know, but it could jeopardize the entire discussion and process. So one has to respect the process and the entire mechanism in which it's done. So therefore, I would have loved to share more information, but as I said, in the interest of the solution and in the interest of the process to move forward, we can't share everything. But what is important for the people, the state, and all of you to know is that the government is committed, and we are ensuring that that we continue to put pressure and to monitor the progress of the work.
So when can we expect the government to have a ceasefire with the HNLC?
As I said, it's a process, so it's difficult to say right now. So process will continue. We hope that we'll be able to move things at a faster pace. So that's what our objective is right now. As I said, it's more to do with the entire peace process. So we are confining our discussions to that.
Jingïalang kadon na benta kajing bit jibiang ke state tambangan ko akan komen beyond that.
Lepas ini community bukan don kata kerjanya kena sok apa yang ini ke Sorkar bak ke HNLC.
Baru arteli baru ke Sorkar bat ke ni kiseng kikuat ya kajing ïasuk kekuat ban poi syakat hong jang kajing ïasuk tengah kermen scam ba hak ini kisingi ngamla ban spesial ko mau ngipin don Hongkong ba ngimka ban ron komentari ya ke ba ngilak ban deng tengah kermen scam ba usok unlong ba biang tang kata.
So the HNLC has recently appointed HNYF president as its representative. So what do you have to say on this?
I will not say anything about that. Okay.
So if you could tell us about the meeting in English, please.
No, we have a meeting to review the law and order in the state. In that meeting, we have discussed many things. So, but I cannot deliberate much about what is discussed in that meeting. So, but the meeting is for to review the law and order, moreover, to see how the process of talk goes on smoothly. Thank you.
Will that be ceasefire with the HNLC?
I will not talk anything right now.